So dito naman po tayo sa pangatlong toilet and bath ensuite ng master bedroom. So meron po tayong bintana sa harapan. Kumpleto, may shower, may toilet, and may sink. And yan po ang ating master bedroom. Napakaganda po ng ating unit dito sa Aurelia Way. Oops, I almost forgot. So you can have this view dito sa master bedroom. Ayan, so makikita nyo po malaki ang ating kalsada. So ayan po, kitang-kita nyo po. And also, you can also have a view. Depende po sa unit na kukunin natin dito sa Aurelia Ridge. Ang amenities ng Aurelia Ridge ay gated community, landscape design, swimming pool, playground, clubhouse, picnic grounds, function rooms, function hall, fitness room, viewing deck,